the right way. I want what's supposed to be taught in that Bible to be taught, and I'm supposed to be treated a certain way, and it's not happening. This is not right.
There's men, women, they're older, they're retired, they've lost family.
Why is that?
Now
Why-
somebody just messaged us and let us know that there was something going on here, so I just wanted to check and see what was going on. So
I'm using the restroom. Can I have a little privacy?
You don't have to protect her from me.
No, I get that. Like I said, you're probably not a threat to her,
You guys are doing this.
but we have this procedure. We just have to follow just for the safety.